Look, but this is what the headlights look like beforehand. I'm getting ready to restore these headlights.
Yeah, it's bending over. Yeah, but you got to hit that stuff.
So just so you can see them beforehand.
You got to hit that stuff.
Tell me where it's hurting. Are you burning? Running just to catch your breath and going nowhere. It's getting old when you feel like you got nothing left. But it ain't over till it's over. I told you since the day we met. So let me be the voice through all the noise. Whatever I gotta be, I'll be for you. Whatever you need from me.
So this is what it looks like after this is what it looks like after I sanded it with 320 grit, and then I sanded it again with 600 grit to make it a smooth finish. And all I used was water. Now I'm gonna tape it up and spray paint it.
You know it's true. I know the feeling. I know it's real when the drama's all in your face. You see a mountain, I hear a promise. It's never more than we can take. Well, it ain't over till it's over. We can talk from our mistakes. So let me be the voice to all the noise. Whatever I gotta be, I'll be for you. Whatever you need from me to see you through. Every one of us has stumbled. Everybody's humble. We hit the ground in our lives. Whatever I gotta be, I'll be for you. Every one of us will fall. Our backs against the wall. And everyone shares a need to be loved. You've always been for me, so I will be for you. That's just what it means to love. Whatever I gotta be, I'll be for you. Whatever you need from me to see you through. Whatever I gotta be, I'll be for you. I'm for you.
So this is what they supposed to look like. This is what they could look like whenever you get done. It's a lot better than what they look like at the beginning.